Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Faridabad, Haryana. Packers and movers are people whom you pay to come to your home, put your items in boxes, carry out furniture, load them up into your truck, and unload them into your new home. Best professional packers and movers Faridabad, Haryana. Hiring packers and movers in this situation is a good option as it reduces your load and stress of packing and moving. Relocation services Faridabad, Haryana. The best way for you to be able to demonstrate this is by actually already being their employee for a while and competing for an opening in another location. Car transport services by car carrier Faridabad, Haryana. The vehicle, enduring the stress of hoping that your vehicle doesn't get damaged in transit or while unloading it at destination for any reliable movers and packers. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Faridabad, Haryana. Transport by quarter parcel bike through Indian Railway trains is calculated based on the distance and the weight of the parcel. Our associates will use high-quality packing material. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Faridabad, Haryana. Household goods luggage transfer services simplify your move further by using Pack and Send's expert packing services. There are specialized household packers and movers who do this job. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Faridabad, Haryana. Lyle's Commercial Moving Services Division understands that moving or expanding your office space, warehouse, or manufacturing facility is a complex event requiring skilled professionals. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Faridabad, Haryana. Use top quality packing materials, like carton boxes, foam edge guards, corrugated sheets, duct tape, right shifting equipment, and the best suited truck for your local transport needs. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Faridabad, Haryana. Pet transfer specialists, we help guide you through all registrations, special travel requirements and medical regulations. The tasks of international pet relocation can seem pretty confusing. Good storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Faridabad, Haryana. Warehousing logistics is at the core of any business that sells physical goods. A few of the most important elements of warehousing include warehouse management, commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Faridabad, Haryana. The transit insurance policy, businesses can also maintain their profitability even when any contingency damages their goods. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.